So today I am going to make egg poach in micro-oven safe egg poacher. So when I don't grease it with oil or ghee, it gets stick very badly to the vessel. So that's why I'm sprinkling water. So water is the alternate for ghee or oil. So nicely we have to put water, and then I am going to add eggs. I'll be taking 2 eggs here. And now you can add salt and pepper, but I will skip that. And then let's cover it and put it in the micro oven. Now it is done. See, it is coming up very nicely without sticking to the vessel. And the part that got spilled, that will also come off nicely. Thanks for watching.